Hello Vedic Maths learners. So today we are going to discuss about 5-digit multiplication. In this 5-digit multiplication, I will going to discuss about the same concept that we are discussing from 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit. All the steps were similar to here as well, but only few steps will going to be improved. What are the differences and what we are going to do, that we will going to discuss in next 5 and 10 minutes. So stay with me and let's discuss the 5-digit multiplication using Urdhva method. If you went through the original method in the conventional Vedic maths, you can see that this is the number 29477 and 28984, and this number is going to be multiplied every time with a single value. So this 4 will going to multiply all these value. Similarly, I am writing here the result, and then 8 will going to multiply all these value and writing the result here, and then later we will going to add it and we will get the result one by one. So this is one of the popular and conventional method. Everybody know that, right? So I'm not going to deep dive into that. If you don't know, you can discuss more about it in the doubt session. Now the point is how you are going to discuss the Vedic mathematics. So let's discuss. So this is the diagram that will going to give you the comprehensive idea of each and every multiplication that we had learned in the classes. So this is the multiplication steps for 2-digit multiplication. This is the first step, second step and third step. So what was there? Only 2-digit number was there. So this represents the maximum 2-digit multiplication. Similarly, in the 3-digit multiplication, as you can see that it started with 1 digit, then this is the 2-digit, and now it is representing the 3-digit. And when you are at a maximum digit multiplication, steps will going to be decreased from there. So now it is 2-digit and then 1 digit. In the 4-digit multiplication, steps will going to be increased again. Now how many steps? Look at this. First step is what? 2-digit multiplication, then 2-digit multiplication here. Now this is the 3-digit multiplication here, and now this is the 4-digit multiplication here. Now we are reached at the maximum value, so this value will going to be changed now 3-digit multiplication, then 2-digit multiplication, and then the single-digit multiplication. So every time what is happening is, if you have a 4-digit, you will have to reach till 4-digit multiplication double cross, and then it will going to be decreased. So now you have an idea about what will going to happen when we have a 5-digit multiplication. So what is going to happen? Start with single digit, then double digit, then triple digit. If I am taking triple digit, it means what? This is representing the 3-digit multiplication. I will tell you more about it in upcoming minutes. So stay with me. This is the 4-digit multiplication and then 5-digit. I reach till 5 digits. Obviously steps will going to be decreased now. So this is the 4-digit number only. Look at this. Similar to this step. Now 3-digit, then 2-digit, and then 1-digit. So this is the basically steps for 5-digit multiplication, and that is something that we have to discuss today, because 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit we had already learned in the previous lessons. So let's start with the 5-digit multiplication, and here you can see that we had a step-by-step explanation of this. You don't have to write down all these things, just because this is the first number that I am taking and first explanation I am taking, so I am writing everything in detail, so you will going to understand it. Later you can do it mentally and you can get the result very quickly. So what are the first step? You can see that the vertical digit multiplication, it means we are going to multiply this 7 and 4. So 7 4s are 28, so I am writing 8 is there and 2 is the carryover. As you can see here as well, the first step 4 7s are 28. Now the second step is what? This is the crosswise multiplication. So in the crosswise, what we are going to do? 6 into 4. You can see that 24 and 5 7s are 35. So if you are going to add 35 and 24, that you will get 59, but 59 plus 2 is 61. So you will get 1 is there and 6 is the carryover. Now we are going to do the third step. In third step is what? Again you can see that cross and vertical. So this is involved 3-digit, 1, 2 and 3. This 3-digit will going to involve, and the number will be 4 into 7, 5 into 6 and 6 into 7. It means this will be like this: 4 into 7, 6 into 7 and 6 into 5. So now add it again. 7 4s are 28, 6 7s are 42, 28 plus 42 is 70 and 6 5s are 30. 70 plus 30 is 100, and 100 plus 6, carry over 6 is 106. So now carry over is 10 now. Okay. Now next 4th digit multiplication. So now coming into the 4th step. In this 4th step, what we are going to do? We are going to multiply 8 4s are 3 7s are 6 5s are and 6 6s are. So you can see that 4 8s are 32, 5 into 7 is 35, 6 into 6 is 36 and 3 into 7 is 21. If you are going to add this, 32 plus 35 is 67, 67 plus 36 is, you will get 103. and 21 is 134. 134 plus 10, 144. So you are writing 4 here, and again 14 is the carry. So in the same way, you can go with the 5 digit. In this 5 digit, what you are going to do? Multiply this 5 digit number. Means all numbers will going to multiply with all value. And that is the reason this is the picture you can see. Now, if you are going to multiply all this value and then you will going to add the carry over 14, you will get the answer, that is unit place value will be 8 and remaining value will be carry over. As you can see that all these numbers are very big, so you are also getting the answer very big as well. So steps I already written here: 4 into 2, 5 into 8, 6 into 7, 3 into 6 and 1 into 7. So 4 into 2 is 8, 5 into 8 is 40, 6 into 7 is 42, and then 6 into 3 is 18 and 1 into 7 is 7. So if you are going to add it, 42 plus 18 is 60, 60 plus 40 is 100, 100 plus 8 is 108 and 100 plus 7, 115, and 115 plus 14, you are going to add it and you will get the result, and so on and so on and so on. So this is the steps that you can see: 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, 8 digit and 9 digit. So in the 6 digit, you can see that the value will going to be decreased now. Why? Because we are not going to do the multiplication of this fourth value. We are going to do the multiplication of only this 4 value. Okay. So that is the reason this value will going to be decreased. If you are going to follow these steps, you will get the result very quickly. So hope you will going to understand it now. Again here 28767 multiply with 4764, and these are the steps. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will going to do it and you will get the answer. And this is the examples that you have to do it yourself. And if you are going to solve it yourself, you will going to get it answer very quickly. Okay. So let's take one example that I am going to discuss it here one by one. So I am going to take one number 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Multiply with 3 ones 5. This is the number I am going to take. And the steps was again same. As you can see that here I am trying to tell you one more pattern that will be very helpful to you. So just keep in mind how we are going to start. So start will be 1 digit. So 2 3s are 6. So that is very easy. Vertical line, then cross line. So 4 3s are 12 and 6 2s are 12. So 12 plus 12 is 24. So I am writing 4 here and 2 is the now carry over. Next step, vertical and so it will give you 3 3s are 9 and 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 9 19 and 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 19 is 43. 43 plus 2 45. So I am writing 5 here and now 4 is the carry over, not 2. Next step will be the 4 digit multiplication. That is the reason we are writing here double cross. So this double cross means what? This 2 will going to multiply with 3. So 2 3s are 6 and 1 into 2 is 2. This one and in this 2. So 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. Now 3 will going to multiply with this 6. So 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. Now 5 will going to multiply with 4. So 5 4s are 20. So 20 and you have earlier what is the value? 26. 26 plus 20 is 46 and 46 plus 4 is 50. So we are going to write down 0 here now and 5 is the carry over. Now look at this. This is the one of the steps that is very important. Here you are going to do the all 5 digit multiplication. Means what? This last digit with this last digit. Okay. And then the second last digit with this second digit. Similarly it will going to work like 1 with 1, 3 with 2. Okay. So do it. 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. Now 2 into 6 is 12, 12 plus 9 21, 1 into 4 4, 21 plus 4 is 25 and 5 into 3 15, 25 plus 15 is 40 and 40 plus 5 45. So I am writing here 5. Now 4 is the carryover that I am writing here now. Now you can see that this is the 5 digit number. So all number will going to multiply with odd number and that step was done now. So what we have to do now? We have to eliminate one value. So this I am going to eliminate now because we have done the each number with every number. So now this step will going to be implemented double square, double cross. So 1 with 6 and 3 into 4 24. 6 plus 24 is 30, 5 into 2 is 10. So 30 plus 10 is 40 and 3 into 1 is 3. So 40 plus 3 is 43 and 43 plus 4 47. So I am writing 7 here and 4 is the carryover. Now this value will going to be decreased now. Every time we will going to eliminate the steps. So now next step is, so 1 into 5 is 5, 3 into 3 is 9. So 5 plus 9 14 and 2 into 1 is 2. So 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 4 20. So I am writing 0 here and 2 is the carryover. Now next step, that is only cross and this value will going to be decreased. So 1 into 1 is 1 and 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 2 9. So that I am writing here now. And the last step, that is similar to the first step, because there is only remaining value, that is 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is 3, and 3 plus 2, no 2, there is no carryover. So 3 is there, and this is the answer. This is one of the biggest answer. As you can see that the total number is here 3 digit, 6, and 3 9 digit. This is the 9 digit multiplication, 9 digit answer. So obviously you will get time. It will take time, but if you do it passionately, you will get the result very quickly. Okay. So because I am explaining it to you each and every step, and you are learning first time, so you might be slow, but if you do the practice, it will become quite easy for all of you. Okay. So I hope now you have an idea how this 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit will going to happen. So if you do the 5, 10, 20 question on that, you will get idea that how to do the 6 digit as well, 7 digit as well. You will get it idea. Why? Because every time you can see that the one step will going to increase. Started with 1, 2, 1. Now if it is 3 digit, it will be what? It will be start with again vertical line, then cross and one vertical, because we had a 3 digit number. So then cross and then vertical. So all these steps will going to be increased like that. Only it's depend upon how the value you are getting. So do this question and you will get the next topic in the next lesson. Thank you. We'll see you in the next lesson.